Wait till I tell you about living concrete, aka biomasonry, so +1 for kick-ass name. First of all, it turns out that bacteria can grow calcite crystals. I know, process that first. Then, the US uses about 10 billion tons of concrete every year, which all has to be repaired because it cracks and water gets in. If you add bacteria to it, the water that seeps in activates the bacteria, and they start growing calcite crystals into the crack and create a watertight seal. Wild. But wait, there's more. Biomason is growing entire bricks this way. Apparently it works like hydroponics, and it works at room temperature, which means you don't have this massive carbon expenditure that normally comes with baking traditional bricks. I mean, look at those weird little guys go. Unbelievable.